Hello friends, my name is Ashu Uppal. I want to discuss my big business idea with you. My big business idea caters three business sectors at a same point of time. These are travel, finance and the internet utility space. The name of my idea is cashfreeholidays.com. Yes, cashfreeholidays.com is a travel portal. Today, most of the population is over budgeted with their expenses and thus prefer shopping with EMI options. But in travel sector, there is no travel company which has specialized in exploring these EMI options to make traveling easy and affordable for the benefit of the fellow travelers. Although there are some companies offering EMIs in travel sector, but these are restricted to some specific travel inventories with very limited funding options. And thus these available options does not allow the fellow travelers to choose and to customize and plan their travel itineraries according to their own choice, restricting them to very few and limited EMI options. Thus our motto is to create, develop and simplify the process for to make it more consumer friendly. We want to develop a travel portal with total transparency in rates and availability, providing the travelers with an easy and convenient multiple EMI options on all live as well as customized travel inventories of their choice. Thus cashfreeholidays.com will be a travel portal which will provide multiple easy funding options on all domestic and international hotel bookings, flight bookings, cruise bookings, holiday packages and various other travel inventories like travel insurance, etc. Allowing customization to the travelers, enabling them to choose from their own choice of travel inventories and enabling them to pay for any of the travel expenses in easy and convenient way. Here we will have two different ways to pay these travel bills on EMIs. The first one is by providing the multiple EMI options for any online or offline bookings being made through various different credit cards. For this, we will have to provide special payment gateway on our website with multiple EMI options on all major credit cards, even for the smallest size of booking amount. The second way would be by providing best offers on personal loans from different banks and NBFCs on our travel portal. This will provide the travelers a single window specialized platform to choose and customize their travel plans as per their convenience and to pay in EMIs for their chosen travel inventory. As today there is no specialized single window platform to solve both travel and the funding needs of the consumers, allowing customization in their travel itineraries. Thus, we find this concept very useful to get business from the core and the untapped market in travel and finance sector, enabling us to capture a huge chunk in these spaces with our unique offerings. Today, the online travel agencies command 3/4 of the entire Indian e-commerce market share. The total e-commerce business in India today is around 47,000 crores, out of which 37,000 crores is spent online on travel alone. Whereas total internet audience in 2011 was 45 million, out of which the travel sector audience were 20 million. In the current year, the noted annual growth in this sector is 32%. Thus, we find here a huge opportunity for any travel and finance institution who wishes to generate a huge volume of business by providing these travelers with an easy funding options of various multiple travel products of their choice and allowing customization for the same. With coming into the operation in first 3 years, we strive to capture 12 to 15% of the market share, which can generate us the annual turnover of more than 5,000 crores, with average gross margins of 5 to 25% depending on the products. We can expect an annual gross revenue generation of approx 500 crores, which is highly scalable with the growing market share. Our targeted consumers will be individual frequent flyers, the middle class and the HNIs working in various MNCs who frequently travel for their vacations or business purposes, and also the corporates who need to travel for their meetings, incentives, conferences and events. On the whole, Travel has now become an integral part of our lives and is needed by the masses respective to their specific needs. The best value proposition for our customers would definitely be the current actual offer on various live travel inventories with multiple EMI options. But the most importantly would be as belows. Number 1, EMI options available with the customization of their travel packages to get the best suited tailor-made holiday packages for them at an actual booking price without any markups. Number 2, best EMI options on multiple credit cards. Number 3, both online and offline booking options. Number 4, more importantly, the best offers on personal loans from various different banks and NBFCs to meet their travel expenses. At a whole, this would be a only specialized one-stop shop to cater both the funding and the travel need of the travelers with guaranteed best price without any markups at actual booking price. For the promotions and marketing of our business, we are very bullish on the online promotional platforms with various SEO and SEM activities. We will also be appointing pan-India network of our preferred agents to capture the B2B space in the segment. These agents will be promoting our offerings through our exclusive agents outlet program, helping us to penetrate deeper in the market. Other than these, we will also be coming up with various online referral and incentive payout based promotional activities majorly on Facebook to promote our offerings to the masses. Talking about the competition in the space, yes, we do think that other travel agencies might be a competition to us. But as currently there is no other player in the travel space who has specialized in exploring and providing different multiple funding tools for easy EMI options on live as well as customized travel inventories. This makes our offering unique, enabling travelers to enjoy the customized holidays of their choice without spending cash, and that too with our guaranteed best price through our live travel inventories. This all justifies our name, cashfreeholidays.com. Thus, we are sure to beat the competition and capture a huge chunk of the market cap in the sector. Thank you. Thanks a lot.